In this lesson, let's talk about what exactly is the difference and also similarities of pre-sales and solutions engineering. Now, it's important we understand the differences and potential similarities as well between these two titles, because in reality, depending on where we go to work, there could be some overlap here. For example, when I was working at 3PAR Data before it was acquired by HPE, I was responsible not only for putting together the quotes, RFPs, meeting with the customer, I was also responsible as well for ensuring that the arrays were installed and deployable, helping the customer actually get the system up and running and migrating storage. On the other hand, when I was working at Brocade, it was a little bit different. The pre-sales engineers, we were more focused on the pre-sales sales activity than the post-sales activity, the solutions architecture, for example. In general, though, when you have a role that states pre-sales engineer, pre-sales architect, your role is really considered a sales role. You're working with sales, you're commonly under sales in a lot of organizations, and that SE manager may actually be in his own engineering group who's managing you and other SEs, or they could be under sales. It all depends. In summary, the pre-sales architect is really focused on ensuring that the customer understands the benefits of the product, understands the pricing, understands where it fits in, and can actually be able to leverage that specific solution or product into their environment and therefore derive value. Whereas that SA or Solutions Engineer, SE, is going to really take on from that point of procurement where you finish off and actually ensure that the customer has the right solution in place, it's deployed, that they get trained, etc. With that said, let's move on to the next lesson.